Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. When I was preparing the arrival of my baby girl, I was preparing her clothes, washing it, folding it and putting it away in an organized way, and I realized that I didn't know exactly how I was gonna fold baby clothes. It may seem kind of silly, but newborn clothes is so tiny and I wasn't sure how I was gonna fold it, so I researched on the internet and also YouTube and some pages to get an idea of how to do it in a more systematic, fast way, so every day it will be just simple to know how I was gonna fold it and put it away in an organized, systematic way. And so I decided that I would share with you how I fold some of her pieces of clothes, and hopefully you find this video useful too. So if you want to know how I fold baby clothes, please continue.
Let's start with a newborn pajama. First, place it with the back facing up. Then fold the sides just a little bit towards the center and the sleeves towards the inside. Repeat on the other side. Now, we're going to bring the legs towards the middle and finally fold it one more time in half. Ta-da! With a footed pajama, we're going to basically repeat this process. Folding the sides, sleeves, foots up. And then we can decide if we fold this 3 times or just 2 times. For a long sleeve onesie, like this one, we will again place it with the back facing up. Then, we fold the sides, and these times, the sleeves go parallel to the sides. Now, we grab the bottom and bring it to the middle. Repeat. Short sleeve onesies are very similar. The bigger the size, the more you will need to fold the sides towards the middle. It's very simple and intuitive, and so practical for storage. For a long sleeve top, simply repeat these steps. I found that the easiest way to fold and storage pants was rolling them up. In the case of shorts, just fold in the middle. So simple and tidy and easy to storage.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share it. I will be uploading new videos every week. See you soon!